Sean Utley here with Athalon Outdoors, and I'm here with Matthew Pruitt from LMT.
Yep.
And we recently covered the launch of the CSW, your confined space weapon.
Yes.
That kind of set off your new suppressor line.
Yeah, absolutely.
And now we've got some of the freestanding suppressors. So, Matt, just go ahead and walk us through what this is.
Sure. So it's a similar technology than the other one. That one was made to fit inside of the rail system. This one sticks out. It uses the same technology of a virtual baffle system. So it wraps up over the barrel, comes backwards 2 inches, allows the gases to go forward, and that first baffle actually redirects the gases to come back, and then it comes back again forward, delaying the time that the actual gas is flowing out of the system, but allowing it to move as opposed to just blocking it up with a normal baffle stack.
Okay.
But the curves themselves, the cone that it goes into, creates a funnel and it creates a mock disc to try to block as much gas trailing behind it as possible. And then that goes into the second baffle and the third baffle, and then it all opens up there. And then we've got a disruptor on the end that disrupts the gas as it comes out, so it's not a clean image. It actually gets rid of that flash, as well as disrupts the airflow out to the outside world. So it makes it as quiet as possible. And this isn't just LMT thinking of cool stuff. We actually partnered up with Lawrence Livermore National Labs, which is an Army research facility.
Right.
And they developed a high dynamic compression fluids. So they developed a technology. We just took it to commercialize it, to put it on the suppressors and put it on into weapons.
So you were talking about how this actually goes back over the barrel.
Yep.
How far does this go back over the barrel?
2 inches from behind the threads.
2 inches from behind the thread. So it looks like you're going to have a diameter barrel limit, or are they going to need LMT specific barrels?
Nope.
Or how does that work?
Nope, it's made to match to everybody else's barrel as well. So as long as you got the normal thread pitch, you could put it on there. Our barrels are heavy profile barrels.
Okay.
So as long as you get a pencil barrel, anything else you want to put, it'll fit on there as well. We have integral versions that are coming out for this later, but that will work on anybody else's if they have a normal barrel and a normal thread pitch on it.
Okay.
It's designed to work for ours, and I think what makes it really a great system is now you've got a can designed to go with the gun. So I can actually do what LMT is known for, the monolithic uppers. You take out the bolt, you drop the barrel out, and drop a new barrel in, except for the new barrel suppressed, and it runs at the same speed the other barrel ran at as well.
Wow.
There's no other changes. I don't have to drop buffers or there's nothing else you got to mess with.
Right,
it's the same speed, so it still runs like it's supposed to run.
So nice and efficient and easy for the end user.
Absolutely.
Okay. Now, are these available right now?
They're coming out in November is when they'll be available to the market.
Okay, so around November they'll be available. They just go to your website and check out the information.
Yep.
Okay.
And of course it's a Class 3 item, but still got to go through that normal process
You
of
need to
wait.
do your paperwork.
Got to do your paperwork.
All right. So there you have it. We got some hot new stuff from LMT.